Imagine a world where your customer service chatbot anticipates needs, or your content creation process flows seamlessly from idea to publication. That's the power of integrating ChatGPT with Zapier. Today, we're diving into how you can combine iPod conversations with powerful workflow automation to create intelligent and responsive processes that will absolutely blow your users away. Let's get started by first securing your access to these two incredible tools. First, you'll need a Zapier account. Head to Zapier.com and sign up for a free trial or a paid plan. If you're ready for more advanced workflows, Zapier is the bridge that connects all your applications. Next, you'll need access to ChatGPT. You can get this through an OpenAI account. Visit the OpenAI website and sign up or log into your existing account. This gives you the AI brain for your conversations. Now, let's build our first integration in Zapier. Click on the Create Zap button in the top left corner. This is where the magic begins. For our trigger, we'll select OpenAI then. Choose an event. A great starting point is often new conversation, or a similar option that signifies a new input for ChatGPT. This is what kicks off your automated workflow. Next, configure your OpenAI trigger here. You'll define the specific prompt or question you want ChatGPT to process. This could be anything from summarizing a customer inquiry to generating a creative idea. Be as detailed as possible for the best results. Now, for the action, choose the application where you want the output of ChatGPT to go. For example, you could choose Gmail to send a summarized email, or Slack to post a generated response, or perhaps a document within Google Drive. Select the specific action you want to perform within that app. So, if you chose Gmail, you'd select Send Email. If you chose Slack, you might select Send Channel Message. This is where you connect the dots. Map the output from your OpenAI trigger A circumflex euros, the text generated by ChatGPT A circumflex euros, into the relevant fields of your action app. For example, you'd put the summarized text into the body of your email, or the generated idea into your Slack message. Before publishing, it's crucial to test your Zap first. Test the trigger to ensure Zapier is correctly receiving information from your chosen trigger app. Then, test the action to confirm that the data is being sent and processed correctly by your output app. Once both tests are successful, publish your Zap. You've now successfully integrated ChatGPT with Zapier, creating an intelligent workflow. This simple setup can revolutionize how you handle communication, content, and so much more. Remember, the possibilities are endless. Explore different triggers and actions to build truly responsive and intelligent processes that enhance every aspect of your user experience. Start building your smarter workflows today.